Welcome back, Hot Wheels collectors. After months of waiting, here it is, the L case. I know you've probably seen what's been in here. Some of this stuff is even turned up in Target stores already with the Target mail-in stuff. But this is a case I ordered a while ago, and it has finally come in. So we're going to open it up, and we're going to take a look and see what we get. Alright, first three is going to be the Alpha Pursuit, the Audi RS Coupe, and the Baja Truck. Next three are the Roger Dodger 2.0, 69 Camaro, and the Clip Rod. We have the 2019 Kia Stinger GT, the Night Dragon, and the TV series Batmobile. Here we have the Mad Props, the Audi RS5 Coupe, and the Night Dragon. The Corvette C706, the Nissan 300Z Twin Turbo, and the 57 Chevy. This is the regular, nope, this is the regular of the K case. So the K case, you could possibly get a SuperTreasure hunt. This is not the Super for this case. We have the HW Armored Truck, the 49 Ford F1, and the 2010 Chevy Impala. We have the 69 Dodge Charger 500, the La Fasta, and the Land Rover Defender 90. The Alpine A110 Cup, the TV series Batmobile. This would be the Hot Wheels ID Chase, if you find that, and the 92 Ford Mustang. Here's the Electro Silhouette, the Shelby Cobra 427 SC, and the Land Rover Defender 90. Here's the Nissan 300Z X Twin Turbo, the Formula E Gen 2 car, and the Batcopter. Here's the 92 BMW M3, the Too Tough, and the HW 450F. And we have the 86 Monte Carlo SS, the Kia Stinger GT, and the 42 Willys MB Jeep. That's the first half. Here we have the 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, the Velociracer, and the 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Here's another Electro Silhouette, the HW Armored Truck, and the La Fasta. Here is the Range Rover Velar, the Grand Cross, and the 52 Chevy. The 69 Camaro, the Roger Dodger 2.0, and the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. Here's the circle tracker, the Formula E Gen 2 car, and the forward force. Here's a Velociracer, a circle tracker, and the custom Cadillac Fleetwood. Mazda Miata MX-5, the 2010 Toyota Tundra, and the Too Tough. Here's the 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class and 2 of the 2019 Audi R8 Spyders. The Datsun 620, the Toyota 2000 GT, and the Fast Feline. Here's the Big Air Bel Air, the Datsun 620, and the Alpha Pursuit. Here's the custom Cadillac Fleetwood, the Mountain Mauler, and the 69 Chevy pickup. This is the regular version of the Super for this case. If you find it in Spectraflame green with the extra tampo on the hood, then you would have the SuperTreasure. And Nerve Hammer, 71 Dodge Charger, and the 69 Dodge Charger 500. So interestingly enough, there's not a regular treasure hunt in this case, which is unusual. There's usually one in every case. I do have the Super for this case. So this is what the Super looks like. As you can see, it has extra tampo on the hood and roof, and it's a Spectraflame green. And it has the rubber tires as opposed to plastic wheels. Alright, be sure to leave a like, make a comment. What's your favorite one out of this case? What do you hope to find? And subscribe. So some cars that are new to the L case that you want to be on the lookout for, of course, like I already showed you, the treasure hunt, the Super Treasure Hunt, or the regular treasure hunt, the regular version of that treasure hunt. The 52 Chevy, that one's a good one. There's a Corvette in there for you Corvette collectors. I know there's a lot of Corvette collectors out there. The Land Rover Defender 90, which this is a really good look for that new casting. The Batmobile, so this one has new wheels that have only been seen on the Cool Classics line. So that's a new addition to the Batmobile. And the Kia Stinger, which is also a new vehicle and is also really, really cool. So y'all be sure to check out and look for those. We'll talk to you next time.